Hello, today I bring you a short video on how a print company, PrintMaster, made a massive comeback after many business challenges. My name is Emmanuel Amo. The economic downturn has affected many businesses, with some losing major clients coupled with inefficiencies in the printing processes and business management challenges in the printing industry. What we see on the screen is PrintMaster, a trusted name in printing service that faced a lot of challenging times, losing major clients like a bank, an insurance company, publishing houses, and a hotel. It felt like the end of an era. The scene you see depicts an empty office, and in the next scene you also see some idle printing machines, which are because of the challenges that the company is or was facing. However, in business, understanding the problem is the first step to overcoming the challenge. So in this scene, you can see a PrintMaster's team locked in a meeting room discussing feedback from former clients. And they resolved that despite the challenges they were going through, they would never give up. The team took a step back to understand reasons for losing their clients. So we see a close-up of team members listening and intently and contributing to the discussion. The second step the team took was to reinvent and adapt. So you can see over here, team members brainstorming ideas, upgrading equipment, and in the next session we will see members of the team also engage in discussions, upscaling the team to ensure they have top-notch quality and customer satisfaction. The next step they took was to rebuild relationships because they realized that they need to have personalized meetings with former clients to showcase their new capabilities. And this is what they did. With that, they had renewed vigor. They reached out to former clients, showcasing their commitment to excellence and personalized service. The result was great. So you can see smiling faces, handshake moments, and clients touring the upgraded facility. These decisions helped the company greatly. It expanded their horizons. PrintMaster entered new markets such as universities, event planners, small businesses, and many vertical and horizontal markets. They didn't stop there. They explored new markets and diversified their services to attract a broader client base. The result was brochures for universities, banners for events, and customized merchandise, as you can see on the screen. Then they increased their reach through marketing, and this is how they did it. PrintMaster revamped their website, social media posts, and community events. Their online presence was revitalized with an engaging website and active social media channel. They became a part of the community, attending events and supporting local businesses. So these are screenshots of websites and social media engagement. Their online presence was huge, and that is what brought a lot of people into their business. And this is the comeback. You can see happy clients receiving their printed material, and you can also see a bustling office environment and team celebration. So So it's about persistence, innovation, and a focus on customer experience. PrintMaster made an incredible comeback. They rebuilt trust, gained new clients, and re-established their place as a leading printing service. This is not just the story of PrintMaster. It's a testament to the power of resilience, adaptability, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. That Printmaster is a print management firm that is devoted to helping you overcome challenges with determination and a focus on quality. We can help you offer personalized printing services tailored to your clients' needs and expand your offerings to meet diverse printing requirements. So you can head over to the next page and reach out to us through the contact details. So that's it. Contact us today to get started. We'll be glad to connect with you so that we can work together. Thank you. Now you can also share the video. There are other people who need to know about the story of PrintMaster, how they came back. Your sharing will encourage others. Subscribe as well to receive future notifications